It's not possible, Gorgon. Only we two are here. How you can sense another aura?
You can fool them, but not me. Come in front of us right now.
India, what are you doing here?
He is not India. Reveal your real face.
Okay, fine.
Who are you?
I don't know what to say. I am king of penguins and protector of Ice Orb.
What is Ice Orb?
Ice Orb is an orb which is symbol of ice, and without that orb, snow will never come on Earth.
Wait, so this means you lost the orb?
How you know?
I heard what happened in Antarctica.
So, who have that orb now?
Dragon King stole the orb. Dragon King stole, and you did nothing. This is not acceptable. What is the full story? Okay, guys, I am sorry. I just handed Dragon King that orb. I thought he will make Earth better, but I got to know I was wrong. He messed up everything. Almost every ice creature is dead. When I got to know because of me my people are in danger, I tried to fix my mistakes.
So, you were the one who was guiding India?
Yes, I wanted revenge from Long Wang, and I am not capable of doing this alone. So I started my journey to build a team that can destroy Dragon King.
Team?
What do you mean by this?
America and Soviet Union goes to find Wolf. You and Japan are here to take Gorgon help. What do you think all this is happening?
Wait, so you mean we all were just doing what you want us to do?
Of course, yes.
You are just genius. I am very impressed by your knowledge, Penguin.
Something just messed up, right? Yes, Gorgon. Everything is messed up now. I don't know from where, but Sword, Griffin, and Black Panther entered our world, and they captured India and Pakistan.
Wait, what?
Yes, they both are in prison. Everything was just working smoothly according to my plan.
But they ruined it, right?
Yes, Black Panther and Griffin are in search of that door of heaven as well. Now we all are in big danger.
Shout out to